Hello, primary one. Today we are going to have nature observation. Okay, are you ready? So, here we go. So, friends, first, let's go around your house. Well, you can go outside your house and try to find some plants outside. Let's see. What plants can you find? And then you can choose which one that you like the most. This plant is in front of my house. It looks interesting. That's why I choose it. Well, if you don't have any plants, you can actually go to your kitchen and find some vegetables. That will be fine too. Okay, friends. So, after you find the plants that you want, you can take a closer look at it. You can see the shape of the plants carefully. You can see the leaves. Does it have long leaves? Does it have big leaf? And after that, you can also see the stalk. Then you can also see the colors. What color is it? Can you see something around it? Maybe you can see some dots or spots. Okay, after you observe your plants, you can prepare your nature journal. You can also prepare your pencil and maybe your eraser too, and your colored pencils or crayons or anything. And then you can start to draw the plants. Try to draw the detail, the shape of the leaf, the shape of the stalk, and after that, try to color it. After that, friends, you can also ask your mom or people in your house the name of that plant. The one that I draw is called Adiantum. Well, actually, in Bahasa Indonesia, people usually call it suplir. Have you ever heard about that? Okay, how about yours? What is the name of your plant? Okay, when you have done with that, you can talk about your plant. You can talk about the shape of your plant, the shape of the leaf. You can talk about the color. You can talk about the stalk. You can talk about anything. So friends, thank you for watching this video and thank you for doing your nature observation. I hope you have a great time. Thank you and see you next time, friends.